Things are going to get a little bit more complex moving forward. So we want to do a check-in to make sure that what we've covered so far makes sense. Before we do that, though, you're going to need to grab a couple of things. One is your Chapter 4.1 summary handout. That summary handout is going to be very, very helpful to you as you continue to work through this thought primer and then work on your homework problems. On that handout is a listing of our 5 operators, their names, their functions, and some indications of under what circumstances you would use those different operators. The other thing you're going to want to grab is something to write with and something to write on. So go ahead and pause your video when you've got those things. Go ahead and restart and we'll tackle a task. All right, so here we have 5 sentences. We need to represent these sentences symbolically using the operators that we've been discussing, okay? Letters and operators. So what I want you to do is to pause your video, take each one of these 5 sentences and figure out a way to represent it symbolically using letters and operators. And you really do want to take the opportunity to pause your video on this one, because this is going to tell you how well you're understanding what we're doing before it gets much more complicated. Okay, so go ahead and pause your video and you're ready to check your work. Go ahead and restart it. All right, let's see what you did. Number 1, Ben is sitting in his chair. I'm going to bet you represented that with the letter B. The chair is comfortable. C. Am I a mind reader here or what? All right, Ben is not sitting in his chair is tilde B. And Ben is sitting in his chair and it's comfortable is going to be B dot C. And finally, Ben is sitting in his chair, but it's not comfortable is going to be B dot tilde C. Did you get that? How'd you do? I bet you did 100%.